Alessandro Tuzza, Country Director of Save the Children in Brazil. We just arrived in San Leopoldo, one of the most affected areas in the south of Brazil. 75% of the population is out of their home, living in the shelter. We met a lot of children, a lot of family. Actually, this is the place that is in front of us, the panorama in front of us. This is how the city is. We can see a little boat. The movement is just by canoa, by boat. There is no access of that. Still raining, so the situation still no control, and the importance of Save the Children, in collaboration with our partner to support the first part of the response.